divers pulled 4 more bodies from Table Rock Lake. The tragedy that left 17 people dead, including 9 members of one family and driver Bob Williams, began in a furious storm.
What a storm today on Table Rock.
Need a water rescue. Will be north of the showboat. Will be a duck that has capsized.
This video captured by a horrified woman on the shore.
Oh, those poor people.
Moments later, the duck boat went down. The oldest victim, 70 years old. The youngest, just 1.
I'm so sad for the families, and I ask everyone to pray. We are with them, 100%, through our tears.
Duck boats are popular with tourists across the country. The amphibious vehicles, first used in World War II, travel on land and then splash into the water. The dangerous thunderstorm yesterday was predicted. 65-mile-per-hour winds kicking up 5-foot waves. With the duck in trouble, more than a dozen employees at State Park Marina raced to help. But when they got there, 16-year-old James Cox says there was no one to save. What did you see in the water?
We saw debris everywhere, empty life preservers, and
Empty?
Yeah.
As if nobody had put them on.
Yep.
It's very eerie. Just to see these life jackets floating and life rings floating and nobody in them.
The National Transportation Safety Board has now launched an investigation into what went wrong. The Duck Boat Tour Company says it's cooperating.
We just wish that it hadn't happened, but we're going to do everything we can to find out why it happened and make sure that it doesn't happen again.
The duck went down here in about 80 feet of water. Federal officials now say they hope to have it out of the water sometime next week so they can inspect it to see if any mechanical issues contributed to this disaster. Duck boat tours have been involved in at least 3 other major accidents from Seattle to Philadelphia. Among the worst in 1999, 13 people drowned when a duck sank in Hot Springs, Arkansas. The disaster blamed on inadequate maintenance. There was a second duck in the water at the time of the storm. It made it to the shore safely with all of its passengers. Meantime, investigators would like to know why those on board the duck that sank didn't put on their life jackets when the weather whipped up. Lester?
Yeah, that video is so difficult.